Hi there, this is Drone Effects with Claude. I haven't posted in a really long time. Um, on here anyway. I do have a second YouTube channel. It's called Trail Rider 570, and I've been really working on that. Don't think I don't care about this channel. I don't care about the people that would come to my channel. A, a lot has happened in the past, what, 4 years now, and I've changed. Things have changed. I'm absolutely zero drama, and I'm going to start posting. Uh, uh, my other channel, I do one video a week, so I was actually doing three. I'm going to post one video a week on here. I may do come in do a live stream every now and then on my computer like I used to. But I don't want no drama in my life no more. I don't need it. A lot has happened. My little Yorkie that I used to see in my videos here occasionally. Well, he crossed over the Rainbow Bridge, and we got a new dog. I've been like I say, we're extremely hard working on my other channel, and I've even gotten into, which I may post some of them over here. Um, I discovered people like the RC car stuff, and the end result is I've been doing RC car custom builds and everything else over here. I got a Grom sitting here. I got some cars up here, and I've been working on that kind of stuff for a while now, and people like it. So I might move some of that content here. The drone stuff, I still have my drones. I do fly them, but not as much as you think. I used to have a lot of good friends on here, and for obvious reasons, they don't speak to me, and shit happens. I can't control stuff. All I can say is I'm very sorry for what I've done to people on here. Didn't mean to listen to the wrong people, and that's a big thing. I listen to the wrong people and stuff like that. But things have changed. I have changed. Like I said, absolutely no drama. And I'll start putting some content up here, and starting with this update. But I've also I had somebody in here say that my side-by-side ride and stuff is boring and everything else. Well, the end result, my other channel, I have 100 and almost almost 750,000 views on my other channel, and it's partially monetized. So sorry to say, side-by-side riding is not boring. Apparently people like it. So you know but that's just a little bit of what's going on in my life. I've been on my other channel, I do product reviews and stuff like that now, and well, one of them was that this is an enclosure for a ATV for winter use that was sent to me to do a product review. And in my Ranger, I have all kinds of Kimimoto, which they're you can hardly see it, but right there they are. I work with them. They sent me the mirrors for here. I got rock lights, the front lights. They just sent me this. You can see Kimimoto right there. They sent me this center console bag, and it's for storage. But what I did is I modified it, and I put a cooler in it so I can carry waters. And my new little dog, his name is Loki. He ride. That's why the rug's here. He's small enough. He's not very big as my other dog was, but he rides up here, and my wife rides over there. And Kimimoto sent me like this tablet mount. Star Night, I was working with them. I actually decided I didn't want to deal with them because they were taking my videos, but I'm working with them on this stuff. So that's what I've been up to. I don't want to get this video too long. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to get it edited, and we'll go on. So I'm hoping you guys start coming around again. You know, we all screw up in life, and we learn from our mistakes, and we move on with them. So that's what I do. So that being said, this is Drone Effects with Claude saying goodbye and God bless. And I'll see everybody. I promise. I'm going to start putting some videos, at least one a week, to make YouTube happy, because I got a notice saying I hadn't posted. And so I want to keep the monetization. I want to keep that channel. So I had to get back over to here, and we'll do this. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. God bless.